yapıp ne ettiğinden bir tek sen beni haberdar edebilirsin.
Öldüreceğim onu.
Seni bu kadar çok severken üzmek istedim.
This episode is the turning point where everything begins to change. Until now, the danger stayed hidden in the shadows, controlled by villains from a distance. But this time, the danger stepped into the light when the victim starts asking for revenge and the hero being to promise violence. It becomes clear that this story is no longer about survival. It's about transformation, and not every transformation leads to something good. Majan is finally reused after everything she has been through, the fear, the trauma, and the physiological pain that slowly destroyed her sense of safety. But freedom does not look the way we expect. There are no tears, no relief, no peace. Her first demand is shocking. She wants a gun. She wants to face Nazar her life. This moment feels uncomfortable, and that's exactly the point. The story is trying to show us something deeper. Trauma does not end when the situation ends. Sometimes that when it truly being. Majan is not just looking for justice. She is searching for control. She wants to take back the power that was taken from her. Then at step in. This was the moment where calm and sport were needed. But instead he promises revenge. He declares that he will kill Nazar, and suddenly everything shifts. When started as a reuse, now being to feel like the start of something much darker. Majan's brother become the silent observer, almost like the audience itself. He sees her pain, but he also sees the danger growing inside her. She is already overwhelmed with anger, and Eds is only making it worse. This is no longer protection. Is this escalation? On the other side, Nazar proves why he remains such a dangerous presence. He does not panic, he does not run even after losing, he stays calm and calculated. He is not reacting emotionally, he is thinking ahead. He may have lost his battle, but he is already planning to win the war. So it builds around a powerful emotional triangles. Majan is trying to regain control of her life. Eds believes love means protecting her at any cost, and Nazar continues to manipulate everything from the shadow. When Eds says, "If I truly love you, how could I ever hurt you?" It sounds emotionally even romantic, but in reality, it reveals a dangerous misunderstanding. He thinks revenge is a form of protection, but in truth, it only creates more danger. That way, Majan chooses to distance herself. She knows that staying close to him will only pull him deeper into another world. But Eds refused to step back. He refused to let go. Then become a shocking revelation. Murat is actually Majan's son. The mother's reaction is heartbreaking. Shock quickly turns into pain, and then into grief. And then comes the most powerful lines you borrowed from your twist. This moment exposes years of hidden truth and emotional damage. It shows that the deepest wounds were not caused by enemies but by the choice made within the family. The past is no longer just a memory, it's coming back to destroy everything. Now everything is heading toward a major emotionally explosion. Nazar is calm and strategic. Eds is emotionally and driven by revenge, and Majan is broken, unstable, and uncryptable.